Hi everyone, welcome to this video where you'll find some insight into why one should learn data science. They say that numbers don't lie. Data analytics demand is on the rise and soon it will be a part of every other organization and everything we do. In fact, data science has been hailed as the sexiest job of the 21st century. So what has made data science so relevant today? The answer lies in the massive exponential increase in data. Big data has revolutionized companies and has given them an edge in competition. These companies need specialized people who are proficient at handling, managing, analyzing, and understanding trends in data. Don't just go by my words. Decide yourself. In the 21st century, the new driving force behind industries is data. It is the electricity that powers the industries of today. These industries need data to improve their performance, make their business grow, and provide better products to their customers. For example, a commercial industry that wants to maximize its sales. In order to do so, it requires a thorough analysis behind sales, understanding of the purchasing patterns of the clients, and using their suggestions to improve the product. To perform all these tasks, a data scientist is required. Problem of demand and supply. There is a huge abundance of data. However, there aren't enough resources to convert this data into useful products. That is, there aren't enough people who possess the required skills to help companies utilize the potential that this data holds. Due to this reason, there is a dearth in the supply of data scientists. Much of this is contributed by the infancy of data science as a field. There is a lack of data literacy in the market. In order to fill this vacuum in supply, you need to learn data science and its underlying fields. A lucrative career. If we look at India, we find that data science and analytics professionals are paid on average 50% more than their counterparts in other IT-based professions. This makes data science a highly lucrative career choice. It is mainly the dearth of data scientists that results in a huge income bubble. Data science can make the world a better place. For example, the global refugee crisis has become a problem that has resulted in deaths and the displacement of many people. In order to manage and regulate the information of refugees, the United Nations and World Bank have established a center for this purpose. Another major use of data is in the field of medicine and healthcare. Various healthcare industries use historical records of data to predict diseases such as cancer and help in early diagnosis. Data science is the career of the future. Industries are becoming data-driven and new innovations are being made every day. The field of technology has become dynamic, and with more and more people interacting with the internet, more data is being generated. Industries require data scientists to assist them in making smarter decisions and creating better products. Data is like the electricity of modern gadgets and applications. It makes products smart and empowers them with autonomy. In today's world, it has become a necessity to possess data literacy.